It's just my passion for an aircraft. I've always been fascinated by how aircraft fly, and I wanted that sort of passion for the aircraft made me think and made me more interested.
So it would be my dad kind of like introduced it to me because he's an aircraft engineer as well. So I'd say he.
So I grew up with helicopters. My dad was a helicopter pilot. He's done numerous things from oil and gas to air ambulance. So I'm here specifically for helicopter engineering.
I heard it from my father because he worked on some aircraft and his friend was working in AST, and I was so interested to be here in AST.
It was at my school open day. They came in and had a conversation with one of the instructors, and yeah, the rest is history.
I was looking for a way into engineering, so I was just sort of searching online for courses where I wouldn't have to sort of go in myself and do it like the long way. I wanted a quicker way, sort of thing.
My dream is if I have opportunity, I want to join British Airways.
I'll do the bachelor degree in the University of Highlands and Islands. So I'll also go for easa Part 66 license, and I really wanted to be a licensed engineer after completing the course.
Right now I'm looking up for a top-up degree, and then once I finish the degree and then go on to the jobs anywhere possible.
It's really cool. There is a lot of people here from all over the world. So the culture is, you can know about the cultures, different cultures. The weather here is so cold.
It's really fun because I get to meet a lot of people from around the world, make new friends, also gain knowledge and see all what they have here in the hangar.
So it's been really fun. It's been really helpful. All the instructors and all that has been really instrumental in helping me build my experience and knowledge for the course.
I'd say again with aviation, so the fact that we can do, there is a lot of theory work, but we can do a lot of practical as well, so it's yeah, always different.
Like just what I've mentioned, the instructors are very experienced, they are very knowledgeable, and because aircraft maintenance or aviation in general is very technical stuff. So with experienced instructors and because of their knowledge, I could learn quite a lot, in-depth things, in-depth knowledge from how to fix an aircraft, which parts you need to watch out and pay attention to.
Mostly the ability to be away from home to experience another culture, the weather maybe.